Hi there, today we're exploring the Design WORKS ABC Sampler, Counted Cross-Stitch Kit, perfect for beginners and experienced stitchers alike. This kit features 14-count white Aida fabric, providing a clear and easy-to-follow grid for your stitches. You'll get 100% pre-sorted cotton embroidery floss, making your crafting process smooth and organized. Included is a 24 tapestry needle, ideal for precise and comfortable stitching. The kit is proudly made in the US, ensuring great quality and craftsmanship. Whether you're creating a charming gift or a decorative piece, this kit offers everything you need to start your cross-stitch project. Enjoy a relaxing and creative experience with this thoughtfully designed embroidery kit. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.